Hi, I'm Max with Skipline. If you missed us at ATSA this year, let me introduce you to ACCU-BEAD. Skipline and Graco have teamed up to bring you the industry's only solution for real-time bead flow monitoring at each gun. Designed for easy installation, ACCU-BEAD works with any existing bead gun system for fast, accurate deployment. Getting ACCU-BEAD on your truck is easy. With 1-inch female pipe thread on both ends, the sensors get installed at each bead gun with attention to the flow direction arrow. Once it's in place, connect the provided wire to the sensors to the VIN 8 and the VIN 8 to the hub. After everything is installed, you'll need to set up your widgets and assign your sensors to their corresponding bead guns. Now you're ready to calibrate using the guided process for precision accuracy. ACCU-BEAD delivers real-time visibility into every bead gun, helping you hit spec, reduce waste, and eliminate rework. Integrated, accurate, built to last. Call us to get ACCU-BEAD on your truck.